Ever split a dinner bill with friends and gotten stuck waiting for ages to be paid back? Or maybe you're a freelancer who relies on getting paid quickly for your hustle. In today's fast-paced world, waiting for checks to clear or cumbersome bank transfers just isn't efficient. That's where Zelle comes in. It's a popular money transfer service offered by many major banks in the U.S., allowing you to send and receive money quickly and directly between bank accounts. Think of it as a digital way to hand someone cash, only it happens electronically through your phone. So, you've heard about Zelle and you want to know how to use it to receive that money owed to you. Perfect, because that's exactly what we'll be covering in this video. But before we dive in, let's just address the elephant in the room: is Zelle safe? Security is obviously a major concern when dealing with your hard-earned cash. Zelle itself uses fraud prevention measures to help keep your money safe, but it's important to remember that it's built on the existing security systems of your bank. This means the overall safety of your transactions relies heavily on you using Zelle responsibly. Here's the key takeaway: only send or receive money through Zelle with people you know and trust. It's not designed for anonymous transactions, and there are no built-in buyer protection features if something goes wrong. So, don't get tricked into sending money to someone you met online for that guaranteed investment opportunity. It's a scam. Alright, with that safety disclaimer out of the way, let's get down to business. Receiving money with Zelle is actually quite straightforward. There are two main scenarios. Scenario 1, you've already enrolled with Zelle. This means you've linked your bank account to your Zelle profile through your bank's mobile app or online banking platform. If someone sends you money using your enrolled email address or phone number, you won't need to take any further action. The money will be deposited directly into your linked bank account, usually within minutes. You'll typically receive a notification from your bank or Zelle letting you know the transfer is complete. Scenario 2, you haven't enrolled with Zelle yet. No worries. If someone tries to send you money through Zelle, you'll usually receive a notification with a link to enroll. Clicking the link will take you to a secure enrollment page where you can follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account. Once enrolled, the money will be deposited into your account just like in Scenario 1. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. You'll typically need a U.S. mobile number or email address to use Zelle. There may be limits on how much money you can send or receive depending on your bank. Zelle transactions are generally considered final, so be absolutely sure you're sending or receiving money from the right person. Zelle offers a convenient way to get paid quickly by friends, family, or even clients. Just remember to use it responsibly and be aware of potential scams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.